Hello. Welcome back to the 7net YouTube channel. If you find the video useful to you, let's like and share. Let's subscribe to the channel to help you get 1000 subscriber. Don't forget to join the 7net community on social networking platforms to learn and support. I put link is in the video's description. Let's get started. You can find videos on the internet that show you how to add Gmail to Outlook, but almost it doesn't work. Why? Because Google has changes in security for Gmail. So, today I show you a new way to add Gmail to Outlook using POP. We need 3 things before adding Gmail to Outlook. First, turn on POP and IMAP. Second, turn on the 2-step verification. Third, set up an app password for Outlook. First, I log into Gmail by the web browser. I run the web browser. Then I search with the keyword Gmail to log into Gmail. On the login page, we need to enter the Gmail. I log in Gmail before, so my email will be remembered here. I just click into my email to log in. In this step, I enter the Gmail password and click Next. OK, now let's click on the settings icon, then click on the See All Settings button. Click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP button. I'll turn on the POP and IMAP. POP download, I choose Enable POP for all mail. IMAP access, I choose Enable IMAP, then click Save Changes. These settings need to be verified to continue. I click Continue. It's verified by phone, so my phone will show the notification. I click on Yes, it's me and then choose the 54 as on the website. It's verified. OK, the first one is finished. The second, turn on the 2-step verification. I click on the avatar of my Gmail. Then click on the Manage Your Google Account button. On this page, I click on the Security tab. And find how you sign into Google, then click on 2-step verification to turn on it. In this step, I click Get Started. The next step is use your phone as your second step to sign in and click Continue. I enter a phone number to receive the verified code. In the How do you want to get codes? We can choose text message or phone call to get it. I choose text messages and click Send. When Google sends the code to my phone, I enter the code in here and click Next. In this step, I click Turn on. Finished. The 2-step verification is on. The third, I move down, I'll see the app passwords. I click on this arrow to set up the app passwords. We can make more passwords for apps. So, we need to enter the name of the app. To differentiate applications, I'll enter the name Outlook password for Gmail on Outlook, then click Create. This is a generated app password used for Outlook. Total is 19 characters including spaces. I copy it and click Done. OK, now I go back. Finally, I connect Gmail to Outlook. Using POP, I have the configure file, that is all the information to add the email to Outlook. You can refer to this information. The difference is your name, email, and password. Other information you must follow in this file. I open it. That's all you need to add manual Gmail on Outlook. I put this information in the description of this video, so you can refer to it. Now I run the Outlook. I click Start. Then enter Outlook to search. The Outlook shows up. I click on Outlook icon. The Welcome to Outlook page shows up. I click Next. Next step, I choose Yes and click Next. In this step, I choose a manual setup or additional server types to add manual Gmail. I click Next. I choose a POP or IMAP and click Next. Then I enter the email information. Your name. This name will show when I send an email. I enter my name. Email address. This is my Gmail address. I saved my Gmail address in this file. So I copy the email and paste into here. I use the Ctrl+V button to paste here. The email includes at gmail.com. Account type, I choose POP3, incoming mail server, pop.gmail.com, so I copy and paste. Outgoing mail server, SMTP, smtp.gmail.com, copy and paste. Username, this is my Gmail without at gmail.com, so I delete at gmail.com. Password, this is my Gmail password, I use the app password of Gmail. I will copy my Gmail password and paste it here. Ctrl+V button to paste. Then click More Settings. We click on the Outgoing Server tab, check the My Outgoing Server, SMTP, requires authentication box. Then click the Advanced tab. Incoming server POP3. I used port 995, so I select Use the following type of encrypted connection, SSL. In the Use the following type of encrypted connection I choose TLS. Outgoing server SMTP, I used port 587. With another option, you can watch the video how to set up manual email. I put a link in the description of this video. Now I click OK to save it. Then click Next to continue. When we see 2 lines incoming and send are completed, like this, it's work. The email setup is complete, click Finished. After Outlook opens, we'll see the First Thing First pop up. I selected Ask Me Later to skip. To receive the email I click on the Send/Receive button. And the email is coming. Now let's try to send an email test. I send a test email to myself, I click on the New Email button. In the To, I enter the email, the subject, and the content for email, then click Send. I'll check the email again. The new email was received. Well, that's all I had for you today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video.